activity, it is called Make It Rain. And it kind of gets the name because of the, we make it rain, throw the dollar bills in the air. So, because it's a money activity, so bringing that cross-curricular. Here's what we're using. We're using some foam-coated balls. This one's one of those bouncies from USA. It doesn't matter what kind of ball you want to use. We got bowling pins and poly spots. And then I have our play money in the middle here. There's the 1s, 5s, and 10s. And then we put the dice in the buckets. Just for a location so they're not going everywhere. Now, the sideline is optional. We place buckets down both sides of the gym because when kids are collecting money, we let them put it inside the bucket so it's somewhere safe. You can have the kids put it in hula hoops, you can have them hold onto it, you can have them put it on the floor. If you don't have money, you can probably use playing cards and just assign some different things to it. But here's the basics of the game. So here's my bucket, here's my ball. I'm going to kick it and try to knock down the bowling pin. If I miss, I'm simply going to get my ball and go back. I have to knock down not one but two. Alright, but in this activity, we only count for the one. So I need to make sure that I get my ball. I set up both bowling pins that I knocked down, because that's our target. We had our students playing by themselves, so there was a lot of action going on. Then, because I knocked down a bowling pin, I'm going to come to the middle. Since I did do two, I'm only getting to get one roll. So I roll the dice. He told the kids they could roll it in the bucket or on the floor. I got myself a 2, and a 2 is associated with one $1 bill. So every time they grab money, it's always 1. I forgot to mention that. We also project it to the wall, or you can write it on a whiteboard or something, but we had it so our 1, 2, and 3 gets $1 bill. Roll a 4 or 5, you get a $5 bill. 6, you would get a $10 bill. If you want to change it, feel free to change it and fit your needs. So I rolled a 2, I get a $1 bill. I go back, I put it inside my bucket, and then put the ball down and make my kick again. Alright, so when I missed, I simply would go get the ball, return, and kick again. So it's a lot of fast pace, and then when time was up, we didn't necessarily go by who had the most money. We may have said whoever has the most $1 bills, or the $10 bills, or the 5, because some of these kids, they'll always miraculously get a 6 to get that $10 bill. So we had to change it up, and stay one up alone. So hopefully your students will enjoy this activity. I'm Coach Pirillo reminding you to keep on moving.